Once you've written your scraper, you can see its details in the overview page. This gives you a screenshot of the site being scraped, what it's currently doing with the option to run it, and the schedule for the scraper for when it's due to run. To the right of this, you have a description for your data, which you need to add. It also shows you the level of access to your scraper and the ScraperWiki users who have edited it. Changing these will be featured in our next screencast, but first, let's take a look at the toolbar at the top. Firstly, you can go straight to the editor and edit your code. If you're looking at someone else's scraper and don't want to edit their work, but use their code for your own purposes, then you can just copy it over here. If you just want to take a sneaky peek at the code, then just view source and it'll pop up in a box. The admin button is for doing things like deleting your scraper, so watch out. And please share your good work on Twitter, Facebook and Google+ by clicking on the share button. Now, let's take a sneak peek at your data. You can save to multiple tables in each ScraperWiki's data store by just giving the table a different name. By default, this is set to SWData when saving your data into the data store. You can change the name by just giving it a name in your code. Each tab on the overview page corresponds to a table, so if you have multiple tables, it will appear in multiple tabs. With this overview, you can scroll across your headings. You can change the amount of rows visible on each page, and you can click through to the next pages of your data. You can also view the schema for each table, that is, the headings and their formats. Scrolling down, you can search for the scraper's context, so please add and view tags. If you want people to help and collaborate, then please add helpful tabs. You can also see who has copied your scraper and any views that are made from the data. Further down, you can see a summary of the ScraperWiki's run history. You can also add a remark to your scraper. The creator of the scraper will be alerted via email, and any user can opt out of this by unticking the box in their profile page. There's a lot more to do, so once you've gotten to grips with the basics, check out the next screencast.